Hello, my name is Arjun Vijay and I have created a game called Activity Spinner. So I've created this using my robotics kit. So what is the aim of the game? The aim of the game is one of the players has to reach 30 points using the given column sheet and following the following activities. So the rules are when it's there has to be a minimum of 3 players up to 10 players and the youngest one and the order is youngest till the oldest. When it's your turn, you have to hit this attack switch which will light up this LED and activate the buzzer. You have to do it only once, but I'm showing it 3 times for demonstration purposes. Now, after that, you have to spin this wheel using a slide switch. Now the wheel is spinning, then you turn it off. Mine's landed on D this time. So I look up column D in the column sheet and I find it. It's right here. Now, there are 4 options. 1, put tape on somebody. 2, say something. 3, throw a ball and say something else. So, now there's a point sheet. So, the first one for each of them, like for example, count till 200, or the first ones for all of them is worth 10 points. The second ones are worth 5 points. The third ones are also worth 5 points. And the fourth ones are worth 2 points. So, I'm going to choose, for example, say, throw ball. So then I take a ball and I throw it. So you have to follow the following activities. Now, if I throw a ball, it's number 3 and number 3 is 5 points. So I've got 5 points. Whoever reaches 30 points first wins the game. Thank you.